Konnichiwa, annyeonghaseyo, what's up guys? John's here, and we are finally back with another video. And today's the big day of Twice. Come back. This is for. I know you haven't heard from me for a while, and it has been 3 years since I uploaded my last reaction video, but here we are. To be honest, may mga reaction videos naman talaga akong ginawa after ng NMIX Dice, but due to school classes, since bumalik na nga sa face-to-face yung mga classes before, hindi ko na nabigyan ng oras para i-edit. And until now, may mga untouched recordings ako from 2022 to 2024. That includes Chewy's Runaway and Nayon's ABCD. Kasama rin Beanie actually. Nag-react ako sa Cherry on Top. Wait lang. Yan, ibay natin settings. Bakit hindi ko in-upload yung mga yon? Well, hindi ko rin alam. Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit I kept on recording despite the fact na alam ko namang hindi na ako makakapag-edit dahil mabagal na ang laptop ko. But don't worry, I will edit those videos kapag may spare time ako. And since ngayon ay may new laptop na tayo, makakapag-edit na ako ng videos without any problem. As long as free ang time dahil nga we're already in college and mas magiging busy na rin. And before we start, as you can see here, I am holding a device. This is it is a audio recording device actually. This is Sony ICU-X506F. Yeah, ngayon, tinetest ko siya ngayon pang record. Hindi ko basta, mamaya ako nasabihin at eto na tayo sa premiere. Look at that. As you can see here, eto na tayo. Let's go! Ang bilis. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, ang hot! Oh my god, that's my baby right there. Oh! Kinakalaga ka! Bro! What a banger! Oh, talagang ganda! Grabe! We're here to enjoy, bruh. Oh! Kala ko di nag-record. Uy, kanino kamay yun? Gabi, ang daming kembot, boy. May pusa! Wait! What a banger, guys. What a freaking banger. Yun lang masasabi ko. Pero hindi, syempre, papanoorin ulit natin for the second time or maybe for the third time. Alam mo yung first few minutes, all I felt was excitement. Sobrang excited ako. Like, sobrang ano yun ano ba sinasabi ko? The first few minutes was a banger. And yung mga naramdaman ko during that first minute, excitement, kinikilig, I don't know, hindi ko ma-explain, basta ganun yung naramdaman ko. So, let's watch it again. Well, yes, obviously, we will not skip it. Alam mo na, usual, natin to, habit na natin to since nag-start tayo. Full screen. Naka-rotation, gamit yung isa kong phone. Hindi kasi kita naka-lock yung exposure. Pangit tignan. Ayun na. Ah! Hinampas ni Cheyong yung bubuyog. Ang cute ng pusa sa background. Oh, my ladies who don't get hot. Ay, mali. Mga pusa sa daan. Ay, yan, malakas. Ang ganda, oh. Hindi ko alam yun na, ano ko, naramdaman ko. To turn it up. Yeah. This feels so new, bro. Ang ganda. Who don't get hopped in up. Turn it up. To turn it up. May babuyog na naman. Si Momo ba yun? Ay, natumba? Ay, hindi, si Nayon. I don't know. Ay, hindi, si Sana. Nakakakilig, bruh. Kasasabi ko lang kilig, tas ito asim kilig, wana. Okay, wala talaga akong ibang masabi kundi it is such a banger. Paano pa kaya yung mga B-sides, no? Ngayon din yung release nun, di ba? Hindi, I don't know. Kasi kung mag-react ako, masyadong mahaba. Hindi ko nga natuloy yung sa ano, di ba, sa Formula of Love. Tignan mo, di ba nag-react ako dun sa album ng Formula of Love kasi part 1 lang. Hindi ko na na-edit yung ibang songs doon. And ngayon, ito, mahaba, boy. It's a full album just like Formula of Love. Pero mas marami ngayon. I don't know. Hindi ko talaga alam masasabihin ko dito sa comeback na to. It's such a banger. Yun lang ang kaya kong sabihin. And alam ko, you could feel the way I feel or the way I felt or I'm feeling right now nung pinakinggan and pinanood. Alam mo yung kilig na ano, di mo ma-explain, basta sobrang kilig lang. Sobrang kilig. Like, kilig na kilig. Well, syempre, I've been a fan of Twice since, let's say approximately 8 years. Or no, 7 years. Technically, 7 years. But, naging parang official fan lang ako 5 years ago. Pandemic era. And, yeah, here we are. Celebrating the comeback of Twice again. pang ilang comeback na to in those past years na pagiging fan. And bro, I do hope na sana this time makapunta na ako ng concert nila. Hindi ako nakapunta ng 2023 kasi nga, you know, I'm too short on my sa aking money, sa budget. Hindi na pumapantay yung banks ko. Hindi na ako nakaipon, and I hope this time makaipon na talaga ako. Pero as of now, wala talaga. Hindi ko alam kung hindi ko alam. Pero I want to see them in person. Like, bro, I've been dying to see them in person. Alright, this is just a yap. Panay na to yap. So yeah, I don't know. Should we watch it again? Of course we should. Na-screenshot ko ba? Hindi ko na-screenshot yung premiere. Hindi ko nga na-screenshot. Pero may screen record naman ako. That's fine. That's our evidence. Hindi na talaga pantay yung bangs ko, nakakainis. You know, alam mo yun, mukha kong babae, I look so feminine. Pero yung boses ko ganito, tsaka yung mannerisms ko ganito. Tapos bro. Basta, let's watch it again. Kaya pala hindi pala nagsisync yung audio, hindi ko na hold. Bro, just look at them. Don't mind the circling thing. The loading icon. Look at them. They're so bad. Bro, they're so bad. Kinikilig ako, alam. Hindi ko ma-explain. Basta ganun. Just take a look at them, bro. Wait. Parang hindi ko napansin na kumanta si Mina. Parang yun lang yung narinig ko. Si Mina yun, no? Si Mina yun tumawa, no? Here. Listen. Di ba tawa ni ano yun? Tawa ni Mina yun? Ang cute ng pusa. Oh. Oh. Ganda ni Jeongyeon. All my ladies who don't get hype enough. Done wrong, it is your song, so turn it up. Bye-bye, it's your time to turn it up. Ang ganda ng English niya, boy. She's getting the right, parang enough voice, line distribution. All my ladies who don't get hype enough, done wrong, then it's your song, so turn it up. All my ladies who do... Ano ba yan? Di ko sa the lyrics. So turn it up. O hindi ko naririnig si Mina. Hindi ko naririnig yung boses niya. Baka adlibs. Ang daming kembot, boy. Ang hirap nito practicein. Feel ko talaga yun lang yung line ni Mina. Yung sa umpisa, yung tumawa siya. Paano ako maririnig, paano ako magiging serious, nagba-vibe ako, bra. Diba? Wala na, di na talaga pantay yung bangs ko. Look at that. Ang pangit na tingnan. Hindi nga rin pantay. And, ano ba sinasabi ko? Hindi pa nga ako makamove on doon sa takedown. Tapos, ito na agad. Hype na nga ako doon sa cover nila ng takedown. Tapos ngayon. Paano pa kaya sa bra? Paano pa kaya sa... doon sa B-side sinasabi ko kanina. Okay. Let's watch it again. One last time. Pero ngayon serious, like let's try to be critic. Let's try to be a critic, I guess. I don't know. Let's go. Let's watch seriously. Without any fanboying. Of course that's a lie. Ayun na yung line ni Mina. Narinig ko na rin. Hey ladies. Ayun o. Ay si Mina o. Diba? Adlibs lang siya, boy. Wait, ngayon ko lang napansin full English to. Walang ano, walang Korean. Ngayon ko lang napansin. Ako yun, hawak-hawak ni Momo. Ay, ito pala! Ito pala yung line ni Mina ngayon. Ngayon ko na napansin. Hindi ko napansin, sorry. Ayun. At least meron. Hindi pwedeng ano. Ako yung bubuyog, guys. Ako talaga yun. Gusto ko yung pag ni Dayon. Ay, iba yung screenshot ko. Yeah. That's it. Mucha na yan. Hindi na pantay yung aking ang pangat na tignan, boy. So, paano kayo ipapoint out yung mga napansin ko dito sa music video na to? So, this comeback feels so new. Alam ko comeback kaya nga bago, 'di ba? Kaya each comeback has a different concepts. They're using new kind of concepts, 'di ba? Or maybe there are some groups na there are some groups na lang sabihin natin na same concept pero iba yung parang interpretation nila or ganun. But Twice, they're almost 10 years na pala, bruh. Would you believe that? They're almost 10 years na, and ngayon, such a banger. Like, okay, as I said kanina, let's talk about the things that I noticed in this music video. What I liked about this comeback, besides the actual song, was the cinematography. Like, it feels so new. Like, hindi siya yung tipo ng nakikita mo sa music video ng Twice. If you're gonna look to past Twice comebacks and music videos, iba yung tone. Ewan, hindi ko siya ma-explain on a certain word or yung exact word about the basta about dun sa video or sa music video. Nakalimutan ko sasabihin ko tuloy. I forgot. Basta yun yung point ko. Yun yung gusto ko sa cinematography. It feels new. And ewan ba, parang this is parang this might act as a bridge for Twice para mag-pave ng way for more, bangers, kasi nga they're almost 10 years na. Ilang months na lang magte 10 years na sila. And bro, and also what parang I liked about it was the yung camera pannings and some video elements na hindi ko alam ang tawag pero nagustuhan ko. Like, the way they transitions between scenes and yun nga camera panning, like yung zooms and basta different camera angles. Yun yung napansin ko na parang icing on the cake nitong song and the music video itself. I don't know, it just feels so different. Well, I know it different nga. Well, hindi ko talaga ma-explain. I'm out of words about this comeback. Hindi ko talaga ma-process kung ano yung dapat kong sabihin or yung opinion ko about the music video or the song. I guess may mga nasabi naman ako during our reaction or during this recording. Naka-on pa rin pala yung light stick ko. So, wait lang, bababaan ko lang to para makita nyo yung actual ng light stick. Babaan ko yung exposure. Ayan. Mababa na ba yan? Actually, hindi pa eh. Pwede pang babaan yan dapat eh. Kaso nga lang, we already started recording. Hindi na makikita yung maayos na pan. Yan. Wait lang, off ko na lang. Off ko na muna. So, ano sasabihin ko? Nakalimutan ko na. I don't know what else should I say. Basta, I love this song. I love this comeback and hoping for more bangers dun sa B-sides while hindi ko na gagawa ng content kasi masyadong mahaba nga as I said. Wait. I'm trying to remember ano yung last thing na sinabi ko. I don't know what else talaga. Wala na talaga akong maalala as in legit. So, I think let's just talk about other things before we end this video. And yung kanina nga sinabi ko na hindi natuloy kasi nga magsisimula na yung premiere is about this mic. So, sa future contents natin gagawan ko ng review tong mic na to. And this mic was given by me like parang as a gift along with my new laptop. And yeah, I mean it's pretty much goods yung quality. And I've been playing it for around a week now kasi na-addict ako sa quality niya. Sobrang ganda kasi. That's why I've decided to use this as my audio recorder instead dito sa natin ngayon, sa condenser microphone natin. Well, I did record my past videos using this mic pero nga sabi ko hindi ko pa na-edit, but yeah, you will see sa future. And I guess that's it for this video. And syempre may LSS ako dito. LSS na ako, diba? Kinakanta-kanta ko nung ako, And baka umabot pa to sa panaginip ko eh. So I guess that's it for now, guys. I hope you like this cringe video. I hope you like my yapping and some things about it. But yeah, wala na talaga akong masabi. Nakalimutan ko na yung dapat kong sabihin. Siguro, maybe I'll add na lang if I don't know. So yeah, as I said, that's it, guys, for now. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit like, comment what you want to say, kung anong maisip niyong sabihin. Basta wag lang basta. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for, more updates. It may be reaction videos or any kind of contents. Yeah. And once again, this is Johns and see you sa next video natin. Bye!